Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Safari on your device, open the app and go straight to the bookmarks/history area. Tap the open book icon at the bottom or top, depending on your device, and then choose History. Once done, notice the search field at the top. Use it to filter terms, domains, or dates because this narrows long lists quickly. Make sure you're signed in to iCloud if you want synced history across devices. Otherwise, you'll only see local entries. You'll now filter and inspect specific records. Type a keyword, domain, or full URL into the history search bar to surface matching visits. When results appear, tap any entry to reopen that page, or swipe left on an item to delete just that visit. If you need deeper context about cookies or storage, make sure to open Settings, go to Safari, then Advanced and Website Data. This shows which sites stored data. These steps explain why some pages reappear. Synced data and cached resources. Finish by clearing or managing history. Tap Clear in the History view and choose the range you want, last hour, today, or all time, because that permanently removes entries from this device. If you don't want history stored, switch to a private tab or go to Settings, right arrow your Apple ID, right arrow iCloud, and disable Safari to stop cross-device syncing. If history seems missing, make sure you're not in private mode, confirm iCloud status, and check screen time or restrictions. These are common causes when items don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.